Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to make this quick video for you and go over some tips and tricks on how to boost your online presence. And at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over today with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything on your front page, any wording that you use, any photos that you use, what's behind those photos and how they're saved is all a part of your content. So Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. Within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help. So I did input your information into a tool that we use called Ahrefs. It shows me the analytics of your websites. So the first thing we will take a look at is the DR and the UR, which is going to be the trust and the strength with Google. So right now you do have 4.5 on the trust, but 0.4 on the strength. So this is out of 100. Now the idea is to be able to build these up and keep them as even as possible. Now you are also ranking for 2 keywords at the moment, but it is not bringing any organic traffic to the website. Now, there are 31 backlinks from 4 referring domains. So basically a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some of the links are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative, and that's what's going to bring power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison with another website here in just a moment. Now, the next thing here is going to be the Google Map Pack. This is super imperative to come up in, and what this is going to do is going to give you more traffic. 30 to 40% of the traffic here goes right to your website, or they give you a call from the Map Pack. And there's always ways to go about increasing your rankings. So making sure you have a ton of reviews, making sure you have everything filled out on your Google business profile, that all 750 words in your About Us section is filled out. I would also recommend having some keywords in there as well. You want to be responsive to your reviews and your messages. Make sure you keep posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos when it comes to social media. All of that's going to help with your relevance. Now, another important thing is citations. So that is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and by going out there and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance and also helps with your website. Now, I did pull up another website here, and just going over there, you see that they have quite a bit of content on the front, pictures, all of that. And I was able to pull their analytics here as well. So you can see there's quite a difference between your analytics and their analytics. So with this one, they do have 427 backlinks from 38 different referring domains, and they have 191 keywords, which is bringing 206 people organically to their website. So they're clicking on the website. So what this is going to be able to tell you is you'll be able to then see not only what your competitors are using, what backlinks they're utilizing, but it gives you the edge to be able to not only go after what they're using, but be able to add on to what they're using to bring more power and strength to your website. And we're also able to go through the keywords here and see if there's anything that would be best working for your business. So any buyer intent keywords, like say, like anywhere that's Petaluma HVAC, HVAC Petaluma. Like if these are the types of services that you would offer, these are the types of keywords you want to go after. The ones that are what service it is and what area it is. It's the best way to get people coming to your website. So just like a plumber Santa Rosa, AC service Santa Rosa, these are all buyer intent keywords. So I did want to say thank you for letting me take the time and you listening to this video. I really appreciate it. Like I said, if you could possibly give any feedback, let me know if any tips or tricks, helped you out or worked for you. And if you ever did have any more questions and wanted to know more, please feel free to reach out. I will be passing along my phone number and my email as well. You could call, text, email, whatever works best for you. I greatly appreciate your time. Thank you.